what I got here is a Duncan hanging feeder, wall hanging feeder. Found it on Amazon. It's like $70. Holds 50 pounds of chicken feed, and I got it because it'll fit between the studs in my chicken coop, at least on regular 16-inch on center studs. Got one installed in the poultry palace right now, but those we did it like every 24 inches, so it's not exactly snug, but we're building an internal wall, and so it will be great. One thing that I really like about this, number one, it doesn't look like it holds 50 pounds of feed, but it did. I just installed one. It took me like 30 seconds because in it, they come with this nice template. So in the back, there's just 2 screw holes. So you lay this where you want it. You get it, 8 inches, whatever. You just follow the instructions. Put in 2 screws, and then it just hangs right in. Poured the feed. It's great. So let me go out and show you what it looks like in the poultry palace. Really, really easy. These studs are 24 on center, so it wasn't exact. Put a brand new bag in there. Had like 1 scoop out, so I'm sure a pretty full bag would be a little higher. But nice and easy. And I messed around with 55-gallon drums and garbage cans and elbows and all sorts of like rigged up DIY stuff. And that stuff works, but this looks to be a lot nicer. And we're trying to do this really nice here to make it easier. So now we don't have to worry about feeding. Just got to get that one bully duck inside.